What's going on, everyone? ggkickzz here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Today we're going to be taking a look at an Air Jordan 1 Vault Gold. At first glance, when I saw the pictures of this shoe late last year, I thought it was just going to be an ordinary Air Jordan 1, but boy was I wrong. There's a lot of features on this Air Jordan 1 that separate it from the others. The quality is actually pretty nice too. And there's just a lot of cool features about this Air Jordan 1 that you guys are about to see me break down here in just a few seconds. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. I kind of feel bad for you if you slept for these shoes. I'm not gonna lie, you can still pick these up for a pretty good price. I'll have a resale analysis at the end of the video if you guys want to stay tuned for that. You guys can tell that this is a summer shoe because of the Vault and the gold on it. The Vault color was used a lot. Ladies love it. You guys already know, we saw them looking like highlighters all last summer. This summer of 2021, if everything's open up, it won't be any different. So these shoes, I do expect them to go out by the summer. So yeah, the details on this Air Jordan 1 is just crazy. We're just gonna start off with the front because that's the easiest. You guys already know they brought back kind of like this black toe. So this Air Jordan 1 features this nice black toe. You got your nice smooth leather all over the toe box, and as well on the toe box right here, you have your nice white smooth leather, not too tumbled, not too smooth. Behind the check mark, you also have that smooth leather as well. The check mark also features, it's kind of like a bit rougher, but it's not tumbled at all. Coming around the back here, this is something we rarely see on Air Jordan 1s, and I do believe we're gonna start seeing them more this year and next year, is like this nice two-tone. We haven't really seen that on a GR release, general release. And on top right here on the ankle straps by the Wings logo, you guys can see that Vault green color is like a very bright green highlighter looking, construction wearing. That's just what this shoe reminds me of. And on the bottom here, on the back of the heel, it's that university gold. Like I said, this is a summer shoe. It has summer vibes written all over it. It also has some off-white vibes. You're asking me how? Up here where the laces begin, you have this nice flap as well. You guys seen that in the off-white Air Jordan 1s. Also the ankle flaps right here to hold in your ankle tighter, and then you have this nice black outlining it as well. So like we usually see a solid color on the top here where the Wings logo is, but it's actually outlined in black. And behind it, you guys can see this exposed foam on the back there as well, just going all around. So like I said, they started off the year bringing something different, and I like that. I like different shoes. Gives me more to talk about. So we're gonna go to the tongue here. The tongue has a deconstruction vibe, kind of like the Unions and the Off-Whites. So you have your exposed foam coming up around. And also a very unique thing is, you guys probably already seen that the tongue tag is not a regular tongue tag. You may think it was a factory defect, but it's not. They made it like that on purpose. It has that university gold in a translucent plastic, and then it has your credits, I like to call them, for the Nike shoe right there. You have your credits, and behind it is your OG Nike Air with the hints of gold on it too. So you guys already see, man, you have your Vault stitching as well on the tongue. There's a lot of cool features about this shoe that really separates it from a lot of other shoes. Your midsole, you got your nice sail midsole as well. There's sail on the tongue too, of course. Factory laces, they come with the factory sail lace. They also have black laces that come included with the shoe. The baggie on this one is a little weird because I already took it out and I relaced it for the pictures. If you guys don't follow me already, follow me at ggkickzz. It's spelled exactly like my YouTube channel. I'm on Instagram posting a lot of cool pictures of these shoes. I did a lace swap on them if you guys want to see that as well. And I have an on feet later on in the video. So let's take a closer look at the shoe, even though I kind of already showed you the whole shoe, but let me show you guys the box just for the people, you know, if you want a legit check, you could legit check. All right, guys, so here's a close-up on the box. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white/black Volt, University Gold as well, size 9.5, retailing for $170. Like I said, the lace bags are a bit different because I switched out the laces for my on feet. So here it is, a close-up. You guys see that nice sail midsole, the sail tongue, and the sail laces. Let's bring that out so you guys could see that a bit better. It's like a creamy sail. It's not really like a really dark sail. It's a very light sail, very subtle. So I dig that. You guys can see the quality of this Air Jordan 1. The matte look on the black toe. It's not really shiny. It's just a subtle black. Here's your toe box. You guys can see the quality of the leather. It's all right. It's not the best, but this is the first Air Jordan of the year. The outsole is just your regular Air Jordan 1 outsole. Nike on the middle. Here's the inside of the shoe. You see your nice black Nike swoosh. Also in matte. Nothing in this shoe is glossy at all. Not even the Volt green. The University yellow is outlined in Volt gold stitching, which gives it that nice contrast look. That's very dope of the shoe. The Volt green is outlined in black, so it gives it a very different vibe to it. Ankle straps, you guys can see the exposed foam closer. Kind of looks like a sponge. If you guys get these dirty, I don't know what to tell you, man. I could see these being really hard to clean. Ankle straps snap back in place. Here's a closer look at the credits. And behind that, you guys can see your Nike Air in that nice Volt green color. Also with your Volt stitching all over the tongue. You guys let me know what you guys think of this shoe in the comment section below. Almost forgot, your insole is just your regular Nike Air insole. If you guys want these to be anywhere near comfortable, I suggest you guys switch these out. You guys have to remember that this shoe was made in 1985, so the technology, the comfortability on this shoe, it's never gonna be there. That's why I question why these shoes are kind of so popular in the community, but that's just how it is. You guys let me know. Here's a comparison between the men's pair and the GS size. Quality always seems to be downgraded on the GS size. Don't ask me why. You guys can see like wrinkly leather on this pair of Air Jordan 1. Quality control wasn't that great. Differences in the toe box. You guys can see the other pair is not like that. It kind of looks better in my opinion in GS size anyways. You guys let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this Air Jordan 1. All right guys, so my final thoughts on this Air Jordan 1. I'm gonna be rating these a 7 out of 10. It's pretty low, but the Jordan brand released these in the middle of January or the beginning of January. This is a summer shoe, so it was kind of off the mark. Maybe they were planning to release it last year, but for whatever reason it got delayed. I don't know, but this shoe right here, I still kind of think it is a girl shoe, and there's nothing wrong with that. Guys can wear these. People will definitely have dope outfits, but is it for me? No. I would like them to bring out another shoe with some different colors and keep everything the same. Keep the tongue like this, keep the tongue tag like that, have the exposed foam on the back. This exposed foam though, I don't know if it's gonna be easy to clean. That's the thing, because it's like a spongy material as well, so it's probably gonna be hard to clean. If you're gonna wear these with shorts, and it might get dirty, so you might have a tough time cleaning these. Even if you get some dirt on the back there, you might have a tough time cleaning the tongue as well if you get anything around the exposed edges. But other than that, man, it is a pretty dope shoe. It is a pretty dope concept. Jordan brand bringing something different. I don't blame them for that. But like I said, if these were a different color with the black toe, you already know, man, fire. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. See you guys on the next one. You know the vibes. ggkickzz out.